Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green seeds. First, select a high-quality potting mix that drains well to prevent waterlogging. Your containers should always have drainage holes to ensure proper aeration for the roots. Before planting, gently moisten the soil until it feels damp, but not saturated. This creates an ideal environment for your seeds to begin their journey. Now, let's get those seeds planted. Create small indentations and place your green seeds about 1/4 inch deep. For optimal growth, aim to space them approximately 2 inches apart. After planting, use a spray bottle to gently mist the soil surface. This keeps the top layer moist without disturbing the newly placed seeds, encouraging germination. Light and temperature are crucial for successful germination and growth. Your green seeds need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Aim for a consistent room temperature, ideally between 65 degrees F and 75 degrees F. If natural light is limited, a supplemental grow light can provide the necessary intensity, ensuring your seedlings thrive from the start. As your green seeds grow, consistent care is key. Maintain moist soil, but be careful not to overwater, which can lead to root rot. Once your seedlings develop their first true leaves, you can begin feeding them with a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer. When they reach 3 to 4 inches in height, they are ready to be carefully transplanted to larger pots or your garden.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.